sponsored by Off-Road Products and Aurora Lighting. Hey guys, welcome to Adriatic and 4-wheel drive. Today we're gonna make an unboxing. Aurora LED mini light. My sponsor sent me this to do a project. It is a rock light, pretty small. Here's the hardware. I already opened it. It has 3 LEDs inside. I believe this is aluminum. Very soft wire protection. It looks like 18 gauge wire, straight copper. That's a good sign. How long is it? It's probably 5 feet to me. I'm not sure, but that's probably what it is. Here you're gonna see a rubber gasket. It looks pretty good. It feels pretty good. Hardware, stainless steel bolts, 2 nuts, 2 washers, all stainless steel. I forgot to mention some of the good purposes of this light. This single LED rock light emits 120 degrees white light that produces 813 lumens using only 9 watts. These LED rock lights are great for adding to your existing setup, or if you want to create your own custom setup, which that's what I'm doing, you know. These lights make a great addition to interior vehicles for rear car lighting, but can be also used for undercar lighting, boat lighting, trailer lighting, accent lighting, lawn mower lighting, ATV, UTV, and side-by-side lighting, truck lighting, car audio lighting, and so much, you know, whatever you want to do. If you want to know more information, just go and visit the website offroadproducts.com, and you're gonna find anything that you need, any type of information that you need. Also, they have red, green, blue, amber, and white. That's the one that I'm using. You probably watched my video already of the rear LED lights. They came out pretty good, so check them out. I'm gonna try to leave the link on the description if you haven't seen it. As you can see, I still gotta do some work here, but I haven't done nothing because I still have to install this LED light. So as you can see, my panel is off. I took it off because I have some problem, you know, installing those lights, so I have to take this off and run the wire through there. Well, anyways, you can go and check the video anytime. So this light, I'm planning to install it right here, probably like that. There is a trim panel running like this, so I'm planning to install it right here with a separate switch. Power is gonna be attached to this light. So let's say now is selected on door, so if I open the door and the switch right here is on, the light's gonna come on, you know, whenever the door is open. And if I don't want it on, just by turning that switch off, you know, it's just gonna come off. That's what I have in mind. As you can see, the wire is already run, goes all the way like that, runs from here all the way in, comes out, and it's right there. Nice. I'm planning to put the light right here, maybe in the middle, switch somewhere next to it. Here's one. I'm gonna use this one right here. The holes with this, I'm using this as a template. I have to figure it out where I want the switch. Somewhere here, maybe right here in the middle, or maybe side to side. I don't know. I'm gonna measure this panel right here, and I'm just gonna find the center. That's what I'm gonna drill the hole and install it right here. this 1/2 inch. That's the biggest one I have, and then I have to pre-drill it or something. I don't think that's gonna cause a problem, so fuck it. Alright, this in. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-drill the holes for the light. I need to know the size of the bit to make these bolts fit. And looks like 5-30 seconds. Let's give it a try. As you can see, there is plenty of room there. There is nothing on the way. Now I need to go either way. That's on the top. I guess I'm gonna do it from top. So you can do two different ways for the wiring. You can go through the middle or to the top. To the top, I think it'll be the best option, which is the factory size or size, so it don't bend. So this is the oval that I have. I'm just gonna mark it right here. Alright, it fits. So I'm gonna mount it right now that I have the holes. So this is how it looks like in the back. Same thing for the switch. This is what I was talking about. Fits really nice. So there it goes. Looks like I'm having a problem right here, so I guess I'm gonna notch some of this plastic. I wish I can have a Dremel. I'm gonna buy it because I'm gonna need it for another project. Okay, so here's the needle, this is the ground. I always do this, so if you are trying to do something like this, be careful and do it under your own risk. So I know this is the hat. So they both are showing power. That's probably straight because I tried to work with the switch, didn't do nothing, and looks like the one in the middle is the ground for the switch. So these two wires hot and the ground with the switch on the door. So these two are the ones I'm using. Okay, so I am back. I'm gonna try to use the knife, wire strippers, and these crimpers right there. Two T-tap with a male terminal. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is cut this insulation. It'll be easier if you remove this thing around. And I'm gonna use my wire stripper. Hard to do this, guys. my positive, black is my negative. There it is, nice and clean. So this way is door, this way is on. Let's leave it on door. So this one see, we have power. So now I'm gonna hit the switch. And yeah, it works. Now what I'm gonna do is, I always like to leave extra wire in case, you know, I remove this light or for any reason, you know, I always like to leave something extra. And I'm gonna cut it probably right here. Cut it right there. I guess I'm gonna have to bend this a little bit this way. I'm gonna try to use something else to bend them over. I'm just gonna take out this. Alright guys, the GoPro died. I only have one battery. You know, I'm not rich to buy, you know, extra equipment. So this wire is the one used to be on this switch. I'm gonna use it because it has, you know, the terminals are insulated. Also it has a good protection, so I just need just a little bit. So I guess I'm gonna cut this 8 inches, I'm guessing. So this is the top. So I want the light on the top. And that'll work better. Yeah, that's how it was before, so I bend them that way, so I'm good to go. So yeah guys, the GoPro right now is working on the power, you know, the power brick and the USB cord. So I'm sorry you are not seeing nothing, but I mean, I need to finish this as soon as possible. I'm tired of doing this. So I guess I'm gonna try to figure it out if this switch is gonna work correctly. And I'm gonna turn off this a little bit, and I'll let you know whatever I have done on this time. See, it looks pretty good. Looks good on the back, so no big deal. Now all I have to do is just wire everything. As you can see, that's how it's gonna look like. And what the fuck? Oh, here we go. Let me turn off this. Okay, so as you can see, the switch is on. Turn it off, it's off. And of course the light. Alright, so it works. It works! It works! All I have to do is put this thing on the top. So this is it. I'm just gonna wait because I am gonna fix this piece of trim. Remember that it was broken? Yeah, it's pretty much done. All I have to do is just put a piece of flexi tube, which I want this kind of size because there is not much room in there. So light is on, both of them off. Now the main thing is the switch right here. Both of the lights work. Now let's say if I don't want this light on, so it still works on the factory one. What is the switch? You can see it is very dark. I mean, at that, my rear lights. If you haven't watched this video, I'm gonna post a link below. So I'm gonna show you how bright this light is, and let's do it. Let me turn off the rear light real quick. Switch right there. Turn it off. Now let me turn off this as well, so I have no lights. So as you can see, it is freaking dark. The moon is shining right there a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the video. I'm pointing the camera to the stars. I can see the stars. Very nice. But anyways, I'm gonna open the door. And look at how bright. Switch is on, light is on. Let me remove this real quick. Wow, look at that. It looks way better this color. So I'm next to the door. Look at how far this light shines. I mean, video doesn't do justice. You can see the grass. I don't know if you can see it right there, but it shines farther, way farther. I mean, not so bright, but I can see right now, you know, in person. I mean, this thing is bright. I'm gonna cut it off. I mean, look at that. We're gonna cut it on. I mean, it's big, the difference. Big difference. So alright guys, that's it with this video. If you like this light, just go to www.offroadproducts.com. I'm gonna leave the link on the description and check the store, you know, he's my sponsor. I mean, these lights are very good. I hope you liked the video guys, and please share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.